Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody! Today we're going to be drawing S from alphabet lore. I really hope you'll follow along with me. You'll need a black marker and something to color with. Let's get started! Okay, first we're going to start with our black marker. We want to make sure that we kind of stay here in the center. We're going to start with the eyes right here and it's going to snake around. So let's start right here with the eyes. An oval kind of curved downward, and we're gonna do another one that slightly curves up like this. Perfect. Now let's do our eyelids. And then his pupils look over here off to the side. Yeah, it's looking great. Next, let's come off of the center of this front eye and curve around. And now we're just gonna do that snaky S curve shape all the way around, then back up, right there. And I'm gonna stop and leave that. We're gonna come back up to his head and curve around, and follow the other line all the way around. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And there we have it, perfect. Now to finish, we're gonna do that mouth right there. Perfect. And there we have the S outline. Now to finish, we're gonna color. I have this marker, this green marker, and I'm gonna fill in the whole body, minus the eyes. We wanna leave that white. Okay. Now before I'm done, I'm just gonna add a little blue for shadow. I'm gonna do some right here in the center of that curve, and then more over here on this curve. Awesome, that's looking good. Then just a little bit on the underside of his face, and maybe a little under his eyes too. Perfect. And there we have S.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that S. We did such a good job today. I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.